guys, so lost the wheel nut on that one. 83 mile an hour on 6S, wheel spinning all the way. Couldn't get traction properly. Bit of a bouncy road, and yeah, just didn't get to the top speed. We're going to give the Typhon a go now. Got the 6S, got it on 6S. The some Dow batteries, 2 3S batteries in there. I say we've got the Bigfoot Customs fan upgrades, which I'm not going to run the fans on the motor because that stayed pretty cool just running on the 6S. We'll get this body, we'll get this GPS in. This GPS, get the body on, and we'll get out there. Let's see if we've got reverse on this baby. Yes. Right guys, here we go. This is my very first drive of this stretched Typhon. Don't know how it's going to handle this. Don't know what we're going to get out of her. Running near enough the same setup but a lower pinion by 1 than the Limitless. Get these cars out of the way. Get this on and we'll get the steering sorted. Right guys, GPS is on. Cars are coming. God damn it.
As always mate, as always.
Oh, lorry coming. Lorry driver wants to see it go. Just needs to get out of the way, really. Oh man, and there's cars everywhere. Cars, trucks, lorries. Nice quiet road. Need a longer road, wider road, and no curbs. What we need. Right. Get a few passes, get used to the car. Steering super sensitive. This road's, yeah, this road's just wheel spinning. Soon as I touch the throttle past halfway, she just wheel spins. Whoa! Huh? Can't get past half throttle, man.
Keep snaking, mate. Keep snaking like that.
That was the best run yet. That was the best run of it yet. Oh! That was a big hit, man. That was a big hit. But nothing broke, man. Effing Jeffin', he says. Oh yeah, don't want to kill a cyclist. Sparks, baby. Sparks. Right. Oh, don't like curbs. Rapid cars. How do people get these to 200 mile an hour? How? How do people get these to 200 mile an hour? Always get people watching, always get people stopping. What are you doing? All the way then, all the braking. This thing is rapid. This thing is rapid. Actually nicer to drive than the Limitless. Nicer to drive than the Limitless. Easier to control. Can't accelerate though, it just wheel spins and the back end's kicking out. Batteries are low now. Batteries are definitely low. Right guys, don't know if we were successful getting this at top speed. Just wheel spinning everywhere, hitting curbs. Need to sort the steering out a bit more on both of them. Any tips, leave a comment below guys. But let's see what we got out of this Stretched Typhon. I think it's as fast as Limitless. Russell says he don't think it's as fast, but he was the one stood down here seeing them come past him. So there you go, 87 mile an hour. 87 mile an hour. So the Stretched Typhon, we just got it bit quicker than the Limitless. Haven't got the full speed out of them because on 6S, because they're just wheel spinning down here. The road's not flat enough, but they're both super quick. We lost the wheel nut on that, broke the wing on that, just coming off of one of them curbs. So yeah guys, absolutely awesome. Back to the drawing board, because they'll never ever handle the 8S power, or we need to find somewhere that's a lot flatter. Maybe I'm going to get, they both got gyros in, so maybe I'll get the gyros switched on, see if that helps. But there you go guys, you want to see any more of these, see what else we can get out of them, like and subscribe. We'll be back on the bench with these, sorting these out. Love you lots, bye bye.
That's red.
And that's the wrap, man.
That's red, man.